So whatever money he wanted, he got it already. So whatever, I mean, he's not on the lookout for more money.
Yeah.
Probably you're doing it to satisfy more demand.
Yeah.
So the 54-acre land is having 1 crore bamboo. You can imagine, anybody could do it, but the confidence based on the what industry, as he's suggesting. If you bring the industry in the market and then go to the farmer, then will they take there. Because he has done because of his having constraint at the basic level. That's why he started, because of he want to do something. But same motivation may not be at all farmers.
Now, if you're going to start another 60 acres, what will you do differently than this?
No. Now मेरे बच्चे आ रहे हैं. So I am trying to put an industry.
Okay. In that 60 acres, you want to put a factory.
Factory.
Okay.
I want to put a factory because I am full here engaged with visitors, with saplings and bamboos.
Right.
So this is full load for me
Right.
according to my capacity.
Right.
Now my 2 children I have brought them here. They are well educated. So I will shift the industry and they will see the industry.
Okay.
I can supply the bamboo from here
Okay.
and they will expand whatever they want.
Good.
That's good actually. Because raw material is a very
कैपेसिटी भी
serious
नहीं
problem
कैपेसिटी
nowadays.
भी नहीं रहती ना. अब पहले तो मैं 1 मैन आर्मी था सब कुछ और जितना मेरे को चाहिए था गाड़ी घर पैसा सब मिल गया. अब इसके ऊपर के हायर लेवल को अपने को अगर वी वांट टू ग्रो देन दीस पीपल शुड डू इट नॉट मी.
कुछ फार्मर्स इसका थोड़ा सा भय व्यक्त कर रहे थे कि
Where
बैम्बू
to
अगर
sell?
बैम्बू अगर ग्रो करेंगे तो वहाँ पे कुछ नहीं होगा बाद में जाके.
फॉल कर
Yeah.
क्यों कुछ करना.
That was the question I asked them. Why do you have to do anything? Yeah.
ये ऐसा एज है कि पहले बीवी भागी तो दूसरा कोई शादी करेगा क्या नहीं करेगा. Same question. But if bamboo is giving you lot of money, more than other crop, why you should shift your farming? But it is a shallow rooted plant. You can uproot it and you can do other farming also. ये डर है. और कुछ नहीं करने के लिए अपने पास there are 1,000 reasons for not doing anything. Doers do not think. They just like me. I don't think. जो हो गया लेकिन वो होता गया.
The bamboos also seem to cohabit well with other species, isn't it? Or not?
It can cooperate.
It can cooperate, it seems.
But for fruits and it can cooperate for only trees.
Jungle trees.
हाँ, fruit नहीं grow होंगे.
Okay. So
Your fruits require air and
Sunlight.
sunlight. They will not cooperate.
can they cooperate with mahogany kind of
Yeah.
intercropping?
Any wood plantation it is okay.
Okay. Does it go well with Pongamia,
Yeah.
the Karanj?
Yeah. Any forest farm,
Okay.
any tree,
Only that you will not get fruit.
fruits.
Yeah, don't look.
Where there is fruit, then it will.
Because sunlight there.
And still you get sunlight and here fruit will not grow on fruit tree.
Right.
That is
Good.
Do you know what species are attracted to bamboo? Like any bird species or other types of animals or
Peacocks.
to bamboo?
Peacocks.
Peacocks.
Birds, peacock.
Anything eats the bamboo? Any animal eating bamboo that you've had?
डुक्करला काय म्हणतात? Pig.
Wild boar.
Wild boar, they come and eat the bamboo?
हाँ. They don't eat bamboo, but there are earthworms near.
Ah.
They eat earthworms like that.
Hmm.
Where there is wet,
Ah.
their earthworm grows and they want to eat earthworms. That's why we think that they are disturbing our bamboo.
Do they damage the bamboo at all? Or?
No.
Okay.
Somewhat. पानी है तो थोड़ा.
One of the problems that they told when we visited them, there are a lot of wild bisons, gaur.
तो उसके लिए क्या करना पड़ता है? अपना साड़ी रहता है ना, सारी
The Indian